Hello and welcome to a video on quadratics in completed square form. In this video we'll look at an example whereby the quadratic is of the form x squared plus bx. So let's say, for example, we had x squared plus 12x. So b is equal to 12 in this case. So step one, you'll start by writing out x plus 6, giving the game away already. Start by writing out this framework, x plus, and then there'll be a gap there, and then that bracket will be squared. What you do here is that you will half the value of b, and that gives you that. And then step two is to subtract the square of this number. So the square of 6 is 36, so you're given here 36. Now we can check this. So we do a quick check and we can say x plus 6, x plus 6 minus 36 is equal to x squared. We're using the FOIL method. X squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 36 minus 36. So they will cancel out straight away. X squared plus 12x. So we end up with what we started with here. So we're happy with that. So quick recap then. What we're doing is we'll write out the framework x plus or minus, then leave a space for the time being, and that bracket would be squared. And then what you do is you'll half the value of b and put that in that space in the bracket here. And then you will subtract the square of that value. In this case, 6 times 6 is 36. So let's quickly try another one. So let's say, for example, we have x squared minus 8x. So the value of b is equal to minus 8 in this case. So what we would do is we will have x, and then we'll just leave that there for the time being. So half of minus 8 is minus 4. And then we need to subtract the square of minus 4. So we're going to put the subtraction here, and then the minus 4 actually goes in a bracket, and you'll see why at the end. And then, so that gives us x minus 4 squared minus 16. And then we can, I just want to, just a quick recap here. So if we had, let's come over here. Minus 4 squared, that is equal to 16, because with that minus 4 is in the brackets, but if we had no brackets, that would be minus 16. So that's how that works. So let's do a quick check then. So let's say we have x minus 4, x minus 4 minus the 16 to make sure we've got the right signs, and it is minus 16. So we have x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16 minus 16. Let's just get that out of the way so it doesn't confuse us. Then we can cancel out those 16s, and then we have x squared minus 8x. So we are back where we started. Okay, so that was a couple of examples of completed square form when it's in the form of x squared plus bx. In the next video, we'll look at x squared plus bx plus c, and in the video after that, we'll look at ax squared plus bx plus c. So lots to look forward to. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one.